Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get Kimi Code API key. So guys, the first thing that you will do is of course go ahead and go to your Kimi that you prefer. I have here Moonshot AI, and now over here you can just simply go ahead and go to the experience over here on the top left corner of the screen. Now over here, as you can see, you can just simply go ahead and select acknowledge and continue. And of course, from here, you could provide any questions that you prefer. And once you have done that, you should be able to see at the top or right corner of the screen, view code. So go ahead and select view code over here. And now from here, as you can see, you will have an option over here, generate API key. So you can just simply click on that. And from here, you have to sign in into your account in order for you to get started with NVIDIA AI. So just simply provide your email over here and then select next. And once you have done that, of course, create your account. And now, once you have logged in into your account or created an account, you have to verify your account. As you can see at the top, select verify at the top or right corner. And now guys, from here, as you can see, you will need to verify your phone number. So just simply provide your location over here on which are you located. And after that, just simply proceed with your phone number. And once you have verified this one, you can now generate API key. And as you can see, you will have unlimited API requests without daily limits. You can launch GPU cloud sandboxes and protect developer community from fraud and abusive users. So pretty much proceeding with this, you should be able to get your API key.